In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw in an Excel graph. This guide is perfect for those looking to add a personal touch to their data presentations, making them not only informative, but also visually engaging. So let's dive into the steps on how to get this done efficiently and effectively. Starting off, you'll need to access Microsoft 365 Online, which offers Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more right from your browser absolutely free. This is an excellent resource for those who don't have the Microsoft Office suite installed on their computer. Simply navigate to the free Microsoft 365 Online page. Once you're there, you'll see the option to sign in. Click on Sign In to proceed. This step is crucial because you'll need access to your Microsoft account to save and manage your files on OneDrive seamlessly. After clicking on Sign In, you'll be prompted to type in your email. It's straightforward, just enter the email associated with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you might want to create a new account. It's quite useful for a variety of applications. Upon entering your email, click on Next to proceed. You might then be asked to enter your password or verify your identity. Depending on your account security settings, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-in process. Now, for the practical part of our tutorial, we'll use an example file. You can choose any Excel file you wish, but for beginners, it might be easier to follow along with a pre-existing example. Opening your file will bring you to the standard Excel interface, complete with your data. The next step is to highlight the data you want to include in your chart. This could be a range of cells with numbers or categories you've input into your spreadsheet. Click and drag to select the cells you're interested in charting. Remember, a good chart starts with well-organized data, so ensure your selections accurately represent what you wish to visualize. Once your data is selected, click on Insert from the top menu. This will open up a variety of options, but what we're interested in are the charting options. Excel provides an array of chart types to fit different data presentations, including column, line, pie, bar, area, scatter, and more. For this walkthrough, let's select column. Column charts are among the most commonly used chart types and are particularly useful for showing data changes over a period or comparisons among items. Once you've chosen your chart type, Excel will automatically generate the chart based on the data you've selected. But we're here to add that extra flair, right? This is where drawing on your chart comes in. Look for the Draw option. If it's not immediately visible, you might find it under the Draw tab or similar, depending on your Excel version. Clicking Draw will activate the drawing mode, allowing you to use your mouse, trackpad, or a pen if you're using a touch-enabled device to draw directly on your chart. Next, select your desired drawing tool and choose a color. Excel typically offers various drawing tools like pens, pencils, and highlighters, each with adjustable colors and thicknesses. This gives you the freedom to get creative with your annotations, mark specific areas of interest, or even doodle for a bit of fun. And there you have it. You've not only created a chart in Excel, but you've also personalized it with your own drawing. This approach can make your data visualization more effective, engaging, and tailored to your audience or project needs. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to experiment with different chart types, drawing tools, and data sets. Excel's drawing feature adds a layer of customization that can truly make your charts stand out. Whether you're preparing a presentation, compiling a report, or just analyzing data for your own interest, these skills will undoubtedly come in handy. And that wraps up our tutorial for today. I hope you found these instructions helpful and are now better equipped to personalize your Excel charts. Keep exploring, experimenting, and enhancing your Excel skills. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.